Hi, my name is Olabisi Kadri, and this is my web server presentation for Sprint1 titled Streamline Blog. So my achievement for this sprint was passport authentication for login, passport authentication for create an account, and I designed a homepage. As a registered user, I want to be able to enter the correct email so that I can access the full functionalities of the web. Users can enter their email address. The email address should be in the valid form. If email is not correct, there's an error flash message. So I'm going to put this here. So I'm going to try to enter an email address. Let's just put AAA. And I try to log in. It says I should include ads. So, and it must be in the valid form. And so I'm going to just try to put an incorrect email address. So it says there's a flash message that says invalid email. As a registered user, I want to be able to enter the correct password so I can access the full functionalities of the app. Users can input their password. Password is not in text form. If password is incorrect, there's an error flash message. So I'm gonna, as you can see, it's in password. It's not in text form. So when I try to log in, it says invalid password. As a registered user, I want to receive email about password reset so I can be sure my account is not compromised. So let's say I forgot my password and I put this. And click reset password. I mistakenly pressed it twice, but whenever I click reset password, there's a link that shows user receives an email about password reset. Email has a link attached about the password reset. I'm going to just try to make this bigger. So it says you are receiving this email because you've requested a password reset for your account, and this is the link for you to reset the password, which is not yet fully functional yet. As an admin, I want the home page to be attractive so that it can attract viewers to the web. So I'm gonna go to the home page. And this is pretty much the home page. I'm gonna make this bigger. So it has the name of the blog on the home page. And it has some text attached to it also. So the home page has the name of the blog, and the home page is also attractive. As an unregistered user, I want to be able to enter my information so that I can have an account. So I'm just gonna make this. User can enter email, user can enter their password, and user can enter their full name. So I'm gonna log in and create an account. So let's try to create like let's say this, and you can enter your password and the full name. Let's say Penny. As an unregistered user, I want to have my information saved in the database so that I won't have to always create an account. Email is saved in the database, full name is saved in the database, and password is saved as an object in the database. So I'm gonna go back here and create an account so it shows welcome logged in user, and I'm gonna go to the database. We just have two. I'm going to refresh this. So as you can see, it's saved in the database and the password is saved as object in the database. And this will be all for my first sprint. Thank you.